Sing with me, I see yours.
Your boss so cool. You know what's the mouth? Bye, everyone. Take your phone and follow me this way, please.
Here, wait here.
Hello. Bye. Bison. Tong, she 50 years old. But for Bai Tong, she don't like when people touch her too much. When you go to Bai Tong, feeding only, not too much touching, okay? And for the next one, this one, her name Kamlai. For Kamlai, 19 years old. Only
Chala.
like a baby. Very naughty, okay? And next from Kamlai, this one, her name Sarika. Sarika. For that one, her name Sinin. Sinin. For Sinin, 56 years old. 56 years old. And next from Sinin, for this one, her name Kampang. Kampang. For Kampang, 50 years old. And next from Kampang, good. You know you can put your boat. There. This young elephant, 30. And for Pimai, she's blind. Cannot see with the right eye. When you go to Pimai, go around right side only. Right side over there. Other side there. And for the last one over there, that's one named Bai Ngen. 50 years old, same, okay? And I will show you how to feed elephants. You can get closer here. Maybe
Jessica. Behind the elephant.
Well, the sugar cane, when you hold, you need to hold at the end like this, safety for your hands. And when you feed elephant, when you feed them, slowly. Or if you go to left side, you stand on the left side, use your left hand and then put it on the ground again.